A key prosecution witness coming under fire in Karen Read's murder retrial. Earlier today, the defense, they moved quickly to discredit a digital forensic expert for the Commonwealth, getting him to admit there were mistakes in his resume and reports. NBC 10's John Maroney joins us live from Dedham with the latest on today's testimony. John?
That digital expert for the state found himself on the hot seat as the defense attacked his credibility and his findings.
You'll hear more about the data. Our case hasn't started.
Karen Read's Lexus holds a lot of data regarding the night she's accused of hitting John O'Keefe with her vehicle and leaving him to die in a blizzard.
My name is Shanon Burgess.
The prosecution's digital expert says Read's vehicle was running in front of 34 Fairview Road when she allegedly hit her boyfriend. He said the vehicle recorded a three-point turn as well as a sudden acceleration in reverse. In addition, he says the vehicle's movements match data from O'Keefe's cell phone.
There are the various documents that we've seen that state that you have obtained a Bachelor of Science, correct?
Again, with errors or misinterpretation, yes.
Defense attorney Robert Alessi tried to discredit Shanon Burgess of the Texas-based company Aperture. Under cross-examination, the prosecution witness admitted he doesn't have a BS in mathematics, even though documents indicate he does, including on his firm's website. He also acknowledged mistakes in his work.
Your protocol for data acquisition was based on a misunderstanding of megabits versus megabytes, correct?
It was based on a working theory and a misinterpretation, yes.
In other testimony, a DNA expert says there's strong support to say a hair found on the back of the SUV belongs to O'Keefe. The hair analysis was done by a private company, which made the comparison from DNA belonging to John O'Keefe's mother. She rolled her eyes as defense attorney Alan Jackson tried to undermine the findings and likely match with her son.
Because the hair could have come from his mom, it could have come from his maternal nephew, or anybody in his maternal line, correct?
Correct.
Now, Shanon Burgess will be back on the stand tomorrow morning when testimony resumes. Live in Dedham, John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.
All right, John, thank you. And our team here at NBC Boston, we will continue to be your source for all the latest developments in the Karen Read retrial. And remember, coming up 7 o'clock tonight, we have another episode of Canton Confidential, the Karen Read murder trial. We'll have a recap of the day in court as well as legal analysis. And with that, on the show tonight, they will answer your questions just like they did in the first trial. You can send our team here at NBC Boston any of your questions for any of the experts at canton.confidential@nbcuni.com.